Here's the app called NoContact, Tracker, and Move On. Breakup, healing, and support. Pretty interesting niche app, but it's growing in charts. I haven't seen app like that. It's the number one way to get over your ex. So following the no contact rule is the best way to heal. So this is not an advice. I'm just reading obviously the description. But yeah, you just decide in your case what is best for you. Healing from breakup can be tough, but you don't have to go through it alone. No contact is here to help you maintain no contact. Move on with confidence and regain your strengths. With no contact, you will feel empowered to let go and move on. Stay consistent. 90% of people break no contact at some point, but the keys to moving on is consistency. No contact keeps you motivated so you don't cave in. No contact tracker, remembering why you started is key to moving on. Give it time. It takes about 90 days to get over an ex, and we are here to help you through each stage. No contact shortens that down to a 30-day plan. Regain confidence. Join thousands of healers. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here, which you can see. Move on and forget, heal with community, stop hitting up your ex, think before you reach out. So learn to move on, unlock awards. So as you can see, this app is growing in charts. You can see here, you can start quiz. For example, just an example. You can allow notifications. And then that's basically the idea. So for example, here you have it. And then you can see here, and then there is the plan, and then you can just go in and have a special offer. So 80% off, which you can continue. $20 per year app. And then there is another one, $20 per year. So that's the cheapest it will go. Seems like that. Or monthly, $10 per month. There is no free trial. Or $10 per month. Again. So unfortunately, there is no free version. But if you're interested to see how this app looks like, please put a like and comment. I will upgrade and share it with you just for you. So again, just put a like under this video, a comment that you want actually for me to upgrade. That's no problem. I can upgrade. You can subscribe and I will share the full video of it. So, but yeah, pretty cool idea, right? I haven't seen anything like this, and it's growing in charts. It doesn't have that many ratings yet. It's pretty new app, and that's basically the idea. You can see this app, this company is actually creating a lot of different apps. So that's what